Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing these Hanes X Supreme 4 pairs cushion crew socks. So some hypebeast stuff right here. It's just normal Hanes socks with the Supreme logo on it. So here's the packaging, and let's get it. This is more premium than Hanes, right? Because it has the Supreme logo on it. Let me show you what it looks like. So it has the Supreme on the top and the Hanes over here on the bottom. Interesting collabo, but yeah, 4 pairs. That's pretty much it. Feels like regular Hanes socks and nothing special except for the Supreme logo up top to make it more hypebeast socks. So yeah, hope you're all doing well. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Later.